This is my plant journal. This is where I keep the record of all of the plants that I currently have in my house. And for someone who has ADHD, it is incredibly difficult to keep track of what the names are, the care instructions, things like that, where I got them in case I want to get more or if I need to avoid that store completely. So I'm going to show you how I created this. It is super simple, and all it involves is your phone, journal, pen, obviously, information about the plant, and this guy, the Canon Ivy. I love this. This is not sponsored. I am just a super big fan of this, and I want to show you how I easily keep track of the plants that I have in my collection. So let's go. Let me show you a demo.